Hey there! Thank you for your purchase of Kelby ceramic balls. We're honored to support your next step toward better hydration with Soma Vibe Health. Let's walk through how to prepare them. It's simple. When your Kelby balls arrive, remove them from the pouch and rinse them under clean water for 1 to 2 minutes to remove any residual dust. Next, place them into a glass, stainless steel, or copper container and add your water. Allow the water to sit for at least 15 minutes. This gives the water time to interact with the ceramic surface and become more structured. Then it's ready to drink. One 150-gram packet is designed to structure up to 17 ounces of water. If you are using a larger container, visit the Packets to Container guide at somavibehealth.com for exact recommendations. There are no machines, no filters, and no subscriptions required. Kelby balls are long-lasting and reusable. They do not add minerals or purify water. Instead, they support a more organized water structure, which may enhance how your body interacts with water at the cellular level. Research from scientists like Dr. Gerald Pollack has explored how structured water may play a role in cellular function and energy dynamics. With consistent use, many people report improved hydration, better energy, and overall wellness support. If you know someone who could benefit from better hydration, share somavibehealth.com so they can learn more. Good health is meant to be shared. Stay well and stay hydrated.